Short introduction of Zhejiang Hengyue Machinery Company Limited. 1. Management. Managing comprehensively according to Quality Management System ISO 9001-2015 and Enterprise Resource Planning Management System. 2. Experience and ability. From 2008, our R&D team has focused on developing our own design products, including handheld earth auger machines, ice auger drill machines, backpack-type core drill machines, and auger bits. Until now, we have more than 50 models of machines, suited for different countries in different areas, such as one-man operated series, two-man operated series, one- or two-man operated series, quick stop series, reversing function series, shelf with wheels series, and many kinds of engines, from 43cc to 212cc, 2 strokes and 4 strokes. We have more than 50 patents for our designs. In 2012, we obtained Provincial High and New Technology Enterprises. In 2018, we obtained China High and New Technology Enterprises. In earth augers industry, Hengyue is the drafter of China Handheld Earth Auger Standard and is the drafter of Zhejiang Team Standard of Earth Auger Industry. These requested that Hengyue produce all products achieving the standard is the base. Exceeding standard is our responsibility. We won the award of Manufacturing Excellence and Innovation Awards. It was issued by BV, SGS, TUV, and Made in China together. 3. Quality control and production. We control our quality very strictly for each step for all spare parts and all producing workshops. We undertake inspection and testing for all parts, even some spare parts produced by professional machines. Meanwhile, each gearbox must be tested by special testing equipment. An assembling workshop, in each step, the spare parts are checked again to make sure all spare parts used in the machines are in good quality. After assembling, we make inspection and debug all machines for 5 minutes to make sure all machines are in good condition for the user. And then we also make an inspection for the packaging to make sure all goods can be protected well during transport. We have around 60 to 80 workers work at our office and workshop, and we can produce 15,000 to 20,000 machines per month. 4. Certificate and marketing. All of our machines have certifications such as CE, EPA, Euro 5 and Euro 2 and EMC. Our customers can choose different engine testing levels depending on their market. We have more than 40 customers from all over the world. Our main markets are Spain, Russia, Romania, Australia, and South Africa. The customers from the above countries have chain stores, and we have cooperated with them for many years. And now, some customers design their own models with us together. We also have some retail customers that sell our products use our brand Hengyue. They are from Trinidad, Turkey, India, etc. We welcome you to contact us. We hope to work with you together.